3 days izovuka ushumayela bazalwane izovuka in 3 days umzimba wakhe uzovuswa in 3 days ukhuluma ngashayo let me to pray here ukhuluma akakhawulelwa akayana nopinaki akashayana ama-Psalm 76 kodwa wadeclare ukuthi uzovuka. It doesn't matter ukuthi uyoshayana but all I know is uzovuka. Doesn't matter what you're playing. I don't know what I'm up against, but all I know is uzovuka. I don't know the pain I'm going to face, but all I know what you're doing is around. Kodwa uzovuka. Kumbuza umakhelwane wakho, kayiwona umtshela ukuthi makhelwane. Nawe uzovuka. Wona loyo moya. I want to suggest to you. You are appear party. Ukona moya. Sila somo elikhenako eyitweni. Kodwa izinto azikwazi ukuzigcina. Can I preach bazalwane? Lithi iBhayibheli uJesu ayengena ethuneni. Wavalelwa athufile. Bamlepha ngengubo zokufa. Umntwana wayebhangaliswe. Nabamlathile bamfaka ethuneni. Kwathiwa akulendo masoja azogada ithuna kaJesu. The reason why ligada ithuna kaJesu mfundisi ukuthi abhekane nesimo uthi uDavide makabhekane noGoliath uzakimi ngenkemba uzakimi ngemibhikisho mara ngizakwele igama lenkosi bese uyadikela umfana uthi namhlanje ayisazi wena uzomume lakikhaya ukhuluma nendoda enkulu indoda elizini wathi namhlanje ngiyonifitha umzimba wakho inyoni zezulu akakhulumanga ngelinye wadeclare victory akayagqwesana evening time wadeclare victory wameleza i-victory akayafana ngelitshe kodwa wayinemezela umfana wathi ngithi namhlanje Satan uzoyithela indaba. Today is the day. Namhlanje yabona ngifuna abantu bamaye abadala abazosilikela abazothi ngikhathele ukuhlupheka abathi ngikhathele ukuswela abazothi ngikhathele yabona ngitswayi njalo ngeyi-15 namhlanje Satan uzoyithela indaba ngoba akekho umuntu ongabhekana negama lempumelelo. Asikhuluma nestatement omunye wakhwela ngathi unesimo lesohleliso ngoba uyathanda awuyizwa kulapho masekushinga omama masekushinga thina abantwana babo ngizomkhomba awuqalanga ulolonga wena phezu kwesitha uphetha amandla mawuhleli phezu kwakho awaqalanga ukusebenzisa lendemuwe urashada bana entembeni bathi kumela so uNkulunkulu uthembeka nesimo hayi kushumana bathi uNkulunkulu uthembeka nobizo that has found a good wife has obtained favor. We don't find a girlfriend. We find a wife. We find a wife. He who finds a wife, not a girlfriend. So you obtain favor because of the wife you found. awusashayelwa ukuthi uyakhona bekuhamba ngenyawo marusathandula nawe hlabe ekhukhwini ulentile mabisitha 24/7